What's going on, guys? It is your host, the Broken Consumer, here to lace y'all up with all the newest gear tech news, all the ways to save money, all that good stuff. And what we're here to do today is to show all of you beautiful people how all y'all can save $650. 600, well, it's up to $650 on the new Galaxy S10, S10e, and of course the Plus. So without further ado, I don't want to hold y'all beautiful people up. Let's get to it. Bang. Alright, so we're back, and now y'all trying to find out how can all y'all get laced up with this new information. Let me tell you something. When y'all hear my method, it's gonna go crazy. Now, of course, there's different ways on how to save money every time a new phone comes out, particularly with Samsung and the trading thingies. All different ways to do it, right? So obviously, this is a way to trade in, right? But a whole bunch of different countries doing different things. Me, I have T-Mobile, so it's going to be based on T-Mobile and the unlocked version, and other carriers, but just in a particular store. So first, let's go by T-Mobile. Now, if you have T-Mobile and you like to do the installments, you can save up to $390 through T-Mobile. Now, the interesting thing about that is that it's only on certain phones. Now, with the iPhone 7 and up, you can save up to $390. Now, one reason why that's great is because in the used market, iPhone 7 does not go for $390 at all. So what they're doing for you right there is they're giving you a deal, they're giving you a break on that. So it's the iPhone 7 and up. So that includes iPhone 7 Plus, iPhone 8, all that good stuff. All those phones there. Of course, they got to be in good working order. Other phones in that category is the S8, Note 8. What else? I think the Note 9 as well, which is disrespectful, and the OnePlus 6T, which again is disrespectful. To put them in the likes of that, I'm gonna give you $390. But don't worry about that. Don't fret. Don't worry about that. Now, running up, you got, this is crazy too, the 6S, iPhone 6S and up is actually worth.
I've been trying to reach you about your car's warranty. We recently sent you something in the mail about your extended warranty expiring.
Alright, so iPhone 7. The iPhone 7 and up, you can save up to $390 on this phone, on these phones. That's right. I can't believe I'm saying this too. You trade in the iPhone 7, you get $390. Now, the reason why that's crazy is because in the second-hand market, the used-hand market, place that I specialize in, you're not getting $390 for iPhone 7. You might get that for like an iPhone 8 Plus or something, but you're not getting that from an iPhone 7. So if you're an iPhone 7 user that's rocking T-Mobile, or you want to go to T-Mobile, that would be your best bet. Other phones that are in that same range is the S8, S8 Plus, S8 and up pretty much. Somehow, for some odd reason, they disrespectfully put the OnePlus 6T along those same lines. You can only save up to $390. Getting that phone in as well. And again, you have the Note 8, the Note 9, phones of that nature. Now, there's another way you can earn $390, and that's by adding another line to your account. I guess if you want to do that, if you're a baller, you want to add another line just so you can rock two phones as you walk across the street. Hey, do your thing, player. You could do that. But now, another tier they got, $250. Now, this one's still interesting again because that starts off with the iPhone 6. iPhone 6 and up, through T-Mobile, you can save $250. That includes the 6S, 6S Plus, all those phones over there. And again, you're looking at the S7s as well, phones along those lines. Crazy to even think about. Those phones do not sell for $250 right now. Maybe, I'm not even going to say a 6S. Maybe, possibly, but that's like, I don't know. Just listen, that's a great deal. If you're rocking iPhone 6S still, or a 6, even rocking a 6, or you got a 6 laying around, this is your chance to get rid of it and actually get some cool bucks, add it on to your bill. That way you actually bring your new phone's price down. And the next tier is like $150. That's for like the iPhone 5. I don't know who the hell got iPhone 5. Actually, I got iPhone 5 still. What does that make me? Damn. Alright, but don't matter. So iPhone 5 and up, iPhone SE, phones of that nature, $150. I believe that also includes the S6 as well. So again, $150. So if you're on T-Mobile or you want to be on T-Mobile, that's the place to be for you. I guess it's okay. But for me, there's one place I'm going to. Now, if you want to save the big bucks, you be smart. Be smart. Shout out to DJ Khaled. You want to be smart, and you want to go to Best Buy. Best Buy has the best trading values no matter what. Every single year, they also have the best trading values, and they have some absurd prices for it. Now, T-Mobile does beat them in a couple of phones, but forget all that. I'm going to show y'all something cool. So, through Best Buy, you can save up to $650 with the trade-in value. Now, that's crazy, right? Dumb crazy. But here's the catch here. To save the $650, you got to trade in a higher end phone. We're talking a Note 8 and up, right? Or at least around that time period, the higher end phones, Note 8 and plus, Note 8 up. And on top of that, it has to be through Sprint, because Sprint, with a Sprint, it'll give you extra $100 on top of the $550 trade-in value. So if you don't have Sprint, it's gonna be $550, which is still pretty insane for a trade-in value, right? But here's the kicker: the trade-in values are gonna be for a few thingies. You're looking at the Note 8, which does not sell for $550 secondhand, by the way. The Note 9, which does, unfortunately, the prices have dropped. It's around $550 on eBay and such. What else? You're looking at other crazy phones, right? Now, I'm gonna let you know about something crazy. What else? The LG V35, the LG V40, the LG G7, $550. Again, crazy. iPhone 8, guys, the iPhone 8, which you can find on eBay. Oh my god. Wait till I show y'all what I'm feeling. Oh my god, right? And then of course you got the other lower tier phones, things under like the Note 8 and stuff. The iPhone 7, they can get like $300. S8, S8 Plus, $300. Phones of that nature, guys. So V30, $300. I think the G6 is $300 as well. Phones like that. If you want to go with the $150 range, that on that segment, you're looking at the V20s. The Motorola Z3, if you some phone actually bought that phone, I don't know who. So anyways, guys, all right, forget all that. Look, this is the plan for y'all. It's what I need to do. If you don't have no phone to turn in, or if you're like me, you got a phone like the OnePlus 16 McLaren edition, which I love, by the way. If you have a phone like that, like how I do, I have a different plan what I'm gonna do. Now, disrespectfully, LGs don't have great resale value, right? It's a good and a bad thing. This particular moment is a good thing, but for them it's a bad thing. But right now it's a good thing. LG has a very bad resale value. The G7 right now, I was bidding on one early on eBay today. It's damn near brand new. That joint sold for $260. The iPhone 8 sells for the $200 something range, maybe $300, but you could probably get away in the $200 something range. Now the thing about that is, all you gotta do, guys, buy one of those phones, right? For $200. Maybe even finesse someone on Craigslist or something. If you trust Craigslist, if you get jumped, don't blame me. But if you trust Craigslist, things like that, Facebook Marketplace, or offer up, whatever, buy one of those phones for cheap. Trade it in at Best Buy. As long as it's in a good working order, the IMEI is clean, you can trade that phone in. Now, you say you get the phone for $150, right? Trading value is $550, bro. You know how much money you're saving? Y'all can thank me later if you want, but you're saving $400. You get it. Come on, you put in $150, you basically get $100, or you basically get $400 because you're trading in it for $550. And after that, you can deduct that $550 from the S10e. That's what you like, the S10 or the S10 Plus. And first of all, S10 Plus starts off at $1,000. So unless you got bread, you can take that money up. Or if you want to really enjoy the phone, which you don't really have to, but if you want bragging rights and you want to get the 12 gig RAM with the 1 terabyte SSD, a flash memory, bro, it joins like $1,600, $1,500. So what you could do is you could take the trade-in value, deduct that, right? You're paying basically the regular S10 Plus price because of that trade-in. Boom, there you go. Right? But I'm not doing that. I'm gonna get the S10 Plus. I'm gonna take that $550 off. I'm gonna cut that in half. Just like I got my Note 9 and all my other phones. Trading, I always do a trade-in because that's how you gonna save money, guys. So that's how you save $500, $550, or $650 if you're going with Sprint. through that. Y'all could thank me later. Please like, comment, subscribe. If y'all want to save money, follow this channel. If you want tech news, follow this channel. And I know I have to make assistant and things like that. Listen, I'm sorry guys. Listen, I had a lot of upgrades and things like that, and changing cameras again. Getting used to other cameras, whatever. Right now I'm rocking the s10 III, brand spanking new. I just got that. It's not new, but new to me. So I just bought that. I sold on my Sony a6300. I meant to put the video out for that, but completely forgot. So I guess it's technically the first real video. So anyways guys, that's it. Hey look, follow your boy's channel if you want to get laced up with all that news. I'll see y'all later. I'm here to save y'all money. Again, it's me, Broke Consumer. Peace.